All right, so the Pennsylvania Supreme Court ruled that their congressional map is illegal. It's unconstitutional and it needs to be rewritten, okay? That's from the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. The Republicans have gerrymandered that thing to hell, okay? It is one of the most gerrymandered states in the country. Even though I think Democrats get somewhere around like half the votes in Pennsylvania, and yet out of the 18 districts, I think Republicans control 13 and Democrats control 5, even though Democrats get like half the vote. So you think, it should be 9-9 or somewhere close to that, 10-8, something like that. Nope, 13-5. So clearly, it's been gerrymandered. And if you look at the actual congressional district, you get, these stupid, crazy, odd shapes because they're drawing in where they want their voters to live. The Republicans have basically picked their voters so that they always have the majority, even though Pennsylvania is divided politically. So the state Supreme Court ordered them within a couple weeks to redraw the maps in a nonpartisan way, in a fair way, and then that map would be used for the 2018 campaigns, okay? That was ordered a week or two ago. Just the other day now, a top Republican has now flat out refused a court order to turn over data regarding the drawing of that congressional map. He's flat out refusing. Okay, he said, nope, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to abide by the court order. This is coming from the court, mind you. This is not a polite request from the Democrats or something. No, this is a court order. He was ordered by the courts to turn over this information that they use to draw up this rigged map. He's flat out denying, saying, no, I will not turn over that information. But this coming from the supposed party of law and order, right? Law and order. Remember how Trump was going on about law and order, elect me and law and order. So the party that supports an alleged pedophile, the party that flat out is refusing to obey the courts, the party that is the only one that actually has members that have been brought up on fraudulent voting charges. There's been a couple of Republicans now that have been sentenced for voting multiple times or voting for other people. And yet they're the ones claiming voter fraud. It's projection, man. Projection every single time with Republicans. It's projection. It's what they're doing or what they want to do, and they're going to blame the Democrats for it. It's projection 101. So basically, most analysts that have looked at this said that if they redraw the districts, then that should be pretty much a guarantee of 2 or 3 seats, possibly maybe even 4, though I think that's pushing it. But I would say it's pretty much a guarantee that the Democrats would pick up 2 seats from the new nonpartisan map, okay? And if they have a really good year in November, which they're on track to do, they might get 4. They very well might get 3 or 4. But it looks like at least 2 is most likely. But basically now you have the supposed law and order party just flat out refusing a court order. I mean, they were ordered. This is not optional. It's not, oh, would you please, maybe if you find it in your heart to turn over that data? No, this was a direct order saying you will turn over that data by such and such date. And the Republicans just responded, no, I won't. Nope. Can't make me, not going to. I mean, you can't just flat out, you or I couldn't at least flat out refuse a court order. Why is he allowed to just flat out refuse a court order? Especially one that affects our entire democracy. This isn't some minor charge here. This is gerrymandering an entire state that affects the whole nation because we get more terrible Republicans in the House that vote for terrible things. But there you go. The party of law and order. The party of Roy Moore and just flat out refusing court orders. Hey, law and order, right, guys? Right? Amazing.